Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen essential that promises to revolutionize your cooking experience, the CAROTE 31-piece pots and pans set. This isn't just another cookware set, it's a comprehensive collection designed for everything from quick weeknight meals to more elaborate culinary creations. Let's talk about what you actually get in this massive 31-piece bundle. CAROTE has included a fantastic array of pieces. We have 3 fry pans of different sizes, an 8-inch, a 9.5-inch, and an 11-inch. Then there are saucepans, a 2-quart and a 3-quart, both with lids, and 2 larger stockpots, a 4-quart and a 6-quart, also with lids. A 4.5-quart sauté pan with its own lid is also part of the deal. But they didn't stop there. You also get a dedicated egg pan, which is a nice touch for breakfast enthusiasts. Beyond the pots and pans themselves, the set throws in a full suite of cooking utensils, a ladle, a fish turner, a solid turner, a spatula, and a whisk. To keep things organized and protected, you receive 9 pan protectors and a handy container. This is truly an all-in-one solution for stocking a new kitchen or upgrading an existing one. Underpinning this extensive collection is the reinforced die-cast aluminum construction. CAROTE states this ensures long-term durability and reliability. What this means in practice is that the pans feel substantial without being overly heavy, making them comfortable to maneuver on the stovetop and easy to handle when serving. This construction also plays a crucial role in how the cookware performs. Now, let's get to the heart of what makes non-stick cookware appealing, the non-stick surface. CAROTE highlights a top-level, harder non-stick granite material with 10x ultra non-stick performance. This is a bold claim, and in our testing, the granite coating certainly lives up to the ultra non-stick part. Food slides off with remarkable ease. Whether you're frying eggs, searing chicken, or sautéing vegetables, you'll find that very little, if any, residue sticks to the pan. This not only makes cooking more enjoyable but also contributes to healthier meals by reducing the need for excessive oil or butter. The PFOA-free aspect is also a significant plus, offering peace of mind for those concerned about chemical leaching into their food. Another key feature that impressed us is the cookware's heating capability. The set is designed to heat up quickly and evenly, thanks to an extended bottom design that works on all cooktops, including Induction. This is vital for consistent cooking results. No more hot spots or unevenly cooked food. The even heat distribution means your ingredients cook uniformly, allowing for better caramelization and flavor development. Cleaning is often the most dreaded part of cooking, but CAROTE recommends hand washing this set, and we found it to be incredibly effortless. A simple wipe with a paper towel or a quick rinse under water is usually all that's needed to remove any residual food particles. This is a testament to the quality of the non-stick coating. While many non-stick pans are advertised as dishwasher safe, hand washing often prolongs the life of the coating, and in this case, it's so easy that you won't mind doing it. However, no product is perfect, and there are a couple of things to consider with the CAROTE set. While the die-cast aluminum is durable, it's still aluminum. This means it can be susceptible to scratching if you use metal utensils, despite the strong non-stick coating. Sticking to the included utensils or using silicone or wooden ones will be crucial for maintaining the longevity of the non-stick surface. Also, while the set includes a vast number of pieces, the sheer volume might be overwhelming for some users. If you have a small kitchen or only cook for 1 or 2, you might find you're not utilizing all the components. The included pan protectors are a good idea, but they are essentially thin fabric squares. You'll want to be mindful of how you store the pans to avoid any accidental damage. Finally, CAROTE offers a 12-month warranty from the date of purchase. This provides a good layer of security, ensuring that if any quality issues arise, you have a recourse. In conclusion, the CAROTE 31-piece pots and pans set is an incredibly comprehensive and high-performing collection. It excels in its non-stick capabilities, even heating, and ease of cleaning. The inclusion of a wide variety of pots, pans, and utensils makes it an excellent value for anyone looking to equip their kitchen. If you're willing to be mindful of using the right utensils and hand washing, this set will undoubtedly elevate your cooking experience. Link in the description.